Miguel, this is the first run of the boat. Just for you, huh? Come on, move your ass. I like. So this one-hand play is pretty awkward for the moment, but we will get there. We will get there for sure. Now let's see. I hope it comes back somehow. It looks like it sinks, man. Go, Gadget, go! And I'm able to drive the boat with one hand. It's still on the way. It is still on the way. Well, actually I'm not sure if it makes back as well. Let's hope all is good. So here we are. I think we're good now. So let me somehow release the thing. And look at this. Come on, open up. Yes! So it dropped it. It made it. And here it comes. Come to Papa. It looks pretty awkward in this form, but let's see what it does. Hey man, that was a good buy. It works. Well, he's a better pilot maybe, but it works. Woo! Come on to Papa. So, okay, I will bring it in. Miguel, man, it's great. See you soon.